Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. So today we are going to start with the first lesson for ELC 231, and the topic for today is thesis statement and topic sentence. So basically there are two learning objectives that we have for this lesson. So by the end of the lesson, you should be able to first write a good thesis statement and second write a good topic sentence. Let's look at the process of writing first. Basically, there are three stages or phases or processes of writing. The first one is pre-writing. This is where you generate and organize ideas in the form of mind maps, bullet points, tree diagrams, and etc. So basically, this is where you brainstorm your ideas for the content of your essay. The second stage is while writing. So this is the stage where you start transforming or arranging those ideas that you have brainstormed into proper words and sentences and write them in introduction, body paragraph, and conclusion. Now, I believe students do not have problem with pre-writing and while writing, but I could notice that many students completely miss out or forget or forgo the last process of writing, which is post-writing. So you have to make sure that before submitting your essay, you need to revise and edit and check your essay first. Revise, edit, and check your writing draft in terms of grammar, spelling, vocabs, and organization in order to avoid any silly mistake that should be avoidable. So, what is thesis statement? Thesis statement is referring to the main idea of the whole essay. The main idea of the whole essay. So, generally, if you identify the thesis statement, or if you write a thesis statement, the reader will be able to know what your whole essay is about. So that is thesis statement. Just by reading the one statement or one sentence, reader will be able to know what the whole essay is generally about. Thesis statement is usually placed in introduction, and there are two kinds of formula for writing thesis statement. The first one is more general. Thesis statement equals topic plus controlling idea. Now, I would like to bring your attention to what you see on the screen right now is a cup or a glass. Now, as you can see, the top part of the glass is referring to the more general part of the thesis statement because the top part of the cup is wider in diameter compared to the bottom part of the glass or the cup. So the top part is referring to the more general idea, which is the topic, and the bottom part, which is slightly narrower in diameter, is referring to the controlling idea or the more specific part of the thesis statement. Now, this is an example of a sentence using the formula of topic plus controlling idea. There are two main reasons why I should be single. There are two main reasons why I should be single. Now, let's try to identify which one is the topic and which one is the controlling idea. Now, when you try to find the topic for the thesis statement, think of the topic as if it is your title. If you were to write an essay based on this particular thesis statement, what would you write as the title? So that would be the topic. Okay, so in this example, the title or the topic would definitely be why I should be single. Why I should be single is the topic, and the controlling idea would be what about why I should be single that you want to talk about? You want to talk about the reasons. You want to talk about the reasons. So the reasons is the controlling idea, which is more specific. Now, the second formula is more specific. Thesis statement equals to topic plus controlling idea plus predictors. Predictors give a clue to how many body paragraphs you should have in your essay. For example, if you have two predictors, then you will have two body paragraphs. If there are three predictors, then you would have three body paragraphs. Now, looking at the cup on the screen, again, the top part of the cup is for topic, which is the more general sense. The middle part is for controlling idea, which is more specific, and the most bottom part of the cup is for predictors because it is the most specific idea or part in the thesis statement. Now, this is an example of a thesis statement with a formula of topic plus controlling idea plus predictor. So, I'm sure you can guess which ones are the predictors. Exactly. The predictors are referring to the first one is I care too little about others, and the second one is I already have pets to attend. So, looking at the cup again, the top part of the cup is the topic or the title in a more general sense. Why I should be single. Now, what about I should be single that you want to talk about? You want to talk about the reasons. Okay, so what are the examples of the reasons that you are going to talk about in your essay? The reasons are I care too little about others and I already have plans to attend. Since there are two predictors, so you should have two body paragraphs. One body paragraph for I care too little about others, and another body paragraph about I already have plans to attend. Let's look at the rules for thesis statement. So there are a set of rules that you need to follow in order to write a good thesis statement. The first rule is thesis statement must be a statement, not a question. It's in the name, so therefore it must be a statement and not a question. What are the effects of smoking? So this is an incorrect example because it's in a question form. So something which is correct would sound like there are many effects of smoking. This is correct because it is a statement. The second rule is thesis statement must be a complete sentence. Thesis statement must be a complete sentence. Look at the example. Living in cities. This is definitely not a complete sentence. It sounds more like a topic or a title. So something which is correct would sound like good career opportunities and better access to public transportation are the two main benefits of living in cities. So, based on this correct thesis statement, can you try to guess which one is the topic, which one is the controlling idea, and which ones are the predictors? Again, the topic is like the title of your essay. So, the title would be something about living in cities. Now, what about living in cities that you want to talk about? You want to talk about specifically about the benefits of living in cities. So the benefits would be the controlling idea. Now, what are the benefits? The benefits would be good career opportunities and better access to public transportation. So these are the predictors. The next rule is thesis statement must be an opinion, not a mere fact. For example, Mr. Hadi and Madam Haja are parents. So this is obviously incorrect because it's just a mere fact. Something which is correct would sound like some of the characteristics of good parents are loving, protective, and nurturing. The last rule is thesis statement must have only one controlling idea. One controlling idea. Let's look at the example. There are many benefits of exercises, and we can do multiple ways of exercising. This is an incorrect thesis statement because there are two controlling ideas. One, you want to talk about the benefits, and another one, you want to talk about the ways. So the correct thesis statement would sound something like there are many benefits of exercises, or we can do multiple ways of exercising. Reminders. A good thesis statement gives a rough idea of what the whole essay is about, which means, as mentioned before, if you read a thesis statement, a good thesis statement would generally give you the idea of what the whole essay is going to be about. Now, when you write your essay after this, later on, I want you to always use formula number two, which is more specific topic plus controlling idea plus predictors when writing thesis statement. When identifying or writing the thesis statement, always remember the cup or the glass. Moving on to topic sentence. Now, what is topic sentence? Topic sentence is the main idea of a paragraph. Now, can you see the difference between thesis statement and topic sentence? Thesis statement is the main idea of the whole essay, but topic sentence is the main idea of a particular paragraph. It is usually placed at the beginning of the paragraph, but sometimes it is also placed in the middle or at the end of the paragraph. Now, when you write topic sentence, you must include transitional markers such as firstly, next, besides that, also, in addition, etc. This is in order to show connection between one idea to another idea. Now, let's look at the formula for topic sentence here. Basically, the formula for topic sentence is topic plus supporting detail. Now, topic sentence is always related to thesis statement. So here what you can do, once you have your thesis statement, you transform the topic plus controlling idea into becoming the topic for topic sentence. And you transform the predictor from thesis statement to the supporting detail for topic sentence. Here's an example. For thesis statement, the two main reasons why I should be single are I care too little about others and I already have pets to attend. So for topic sentence number one, as you can see, the topic and the controlling idea for thesis statement are transformed as the topic for topic sentence. Reason why I should be single. That is the topic for topic sentence. The predictors for thesis statement is transformed into the supporting details for topic sentence, which is I care too little about others. As you can see, It includes a transitional marker of firstly and besides in order to show connection of ideas. Now, supporting details for a topic sentence can be elaborated or explained using the guidance of WH questions and how, whenever it's applicable. For example, you ask yourself, why do I care too little about others? How do I show my disinterest? Or who do I care the least? This is an example of a paragraph. You start with a topic sentence. Firstly, one reason why I should be single is I care too little about others. Then, you use the WH questions and how in order to guide you into writing a full paragraph. So, you ask yourself questions first and then you answer those questions. So, these are the answers for the questions that you asked before. This is because I do not like to complicate my mind by thinking about other people. Usually, I show my disinterest by spacing out or giving very short replies. People who I care the least are those who talk too much. You see, just by using WH questions and how, you get to develop a whole paragraph. Reminders. Topic sentence must be related to thesis statement. So whatever that you do not have in thesis statement should not be written in topic sentence. And when writing topic sentence, remember to include transitional markers in order to show proper organization of ideas. That's all. Thank you.